Welcome to your virtual open house tour of 6217 Black Mesa Road in Frederick, Colorado. This home is located in Wyndham Hill, and in the Wyndham Hill neighborhood, you get to enjoy a beautiful, huge pool, clubhouse, green space, and it is totally easy access to Boulder and I-25 to get where you need to go. This home was built in 2019. It was lovingly created. I was part of the process, and there are lots of great upgrades in this home. So we are going to do a virtual open house tour so that I can point out these upgrades to you, and you can enjoy this from the comfort of your home. Sometimes these things can get a little glitchy, so bear with us. But it is a great way to see the house and decide if you then want to go see it in person. So as you can see, we have a grand entry as you walk in the front door, which is right here. It is all open to the upstairs area up there, and very bright and light. So as you walk in the door, you will see the office and these 10-foot glass doors here that let you into the office. The office is large. There is enough room for at least 2 desks in this office. It is a great addition to this floor plan and home. And then right next door to the office, you have a half bath with your toilet and pedestal sink. So you'll see the office space right here. You could turn that into a yoga studio. You could use it as an actual business office since people don't have to go past this area of the home, or you can just use it as extra space for your family. So as we walk through, you're going to see here this entertaining dream space. So we have living room, kitchen, and then sunroom dining in the back. So all of the counter space in this home is amazing. This large island. We have 3 seats here, but you could fit at least another seat here and seats around the edge since there is room to tuck chairs in there around the edge. So you'll see more counter space and cupboards over here. We walk through the kitchen. You see that there is a chef's double oven. They did get the chef's package in this one. So there's the double oven. And why am I having trouble saying double oven? Double oven, you'll see that you have your gas cooktop here, microwave, and then as we move over here, refrigerator. Once again, plenty of cabinet space. You have a little mud space that they built in after building the house from the garage. And down this little hall, you also have a walk-in pantry. There is some amazing storage space in this pantry, and it is tucked away so that guests don't need to see it. We're going to go back out here to the living area. So here you see your fireplace with stone surround, huge window leading out to the patio, and then the sunroom addition, which they added on with beautiful whitewood blinds and this huge glass door which gives you access to your covered patio and backyard. And they have done landscaping out there. They added extra concrete pad right off the patio here. And the landscaping includes some beautiful flowers and plants if you're a gardener. And also, of course, they've put the sod in and the sprinkler system. So we're going to head upstairs to where 4 of the 5 bedrooms are. So this house has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. And the sellers of this home have really kept this home in great condition. It still looks, feels, and smells like it's new, which is a bonus. Hard to find that because when you buy a brand new house, you have to think about all the extra costs of adding things, adding these upgrades that they have put in, adding landscaping, paying for air conditioning, all of that kind of stuff can be add-ons in a new build. So here is the laundry room, lots of space here in this laundry room. And there are hookups here for a sink. So if you do want a sink in your laundry room, this is a great laundry room to make that happen. So we're going to go over here to the master. So as you can see, the master is kind of tucked away from some of the other bedrooms, which is always nice for a master bedroom. You have plenty of granite countertop here, double sinks, plenty of room in between. In here is a very generously sized walk-in closet. You have your toilet over here, your tiled surround shower with bench, huge shower, and your soaking tub here, which is also has a tile surround. So this is a master suite that you can get away and relax in. So we're going to go down the hall to the remainder of the bedrooms on this upper level. The bedrooms in this floor plan are very generously sized. So as you can see, this is a second bedroom. It also has a walk-in closet, and it is ready to decorate however you want to. There's no loud colors or anything that you need to paint over, which is fabulous. And then these remaining two bedrooms, this one also has a walk-in closet. Light and bright from the sunshine coming in the morning. We have a full bath in between here, and this bath again has double sinks, which is great, and tub shower combo. And then you have your fourth bedroom, which again is generously sized. The fourth bedroom does not have a walk-in closet, but the closet has plenty of space. So those are your 4 bedrooms up here on the upstairs level. And as you can see, again, this beautiful open space here. So I am going to take us downstairs now. We can get this to work. Okay, it's not going to let me, so we are going to do it the traditional way and go ahead and walk downstairs. So we are going down now to the finished basement. And I'll just point out that these floors here are luxury vinyl, so they are super easy to take care of and run throughout this whole main level. So the basement is finished. So as we come down here to the bottom level, show you the space down here. So we have the 5th bedroom. So 5th bedroom is down here. For a basement, there's lots of light that comes in that window. You have some huge closet space here. And as you can see, enough room for at least a queen bed. Then you have a full bathroom. So this bathroom can be used as a suite. So if you have parents, in-laws, somebody, renting from you, this can be a great space for them as they have their own private room and bathroom, and it's even tucked away from this huge living space. So you had your living room, kitchen, sunroom upstairs, and then you have this huge finished basement space that you can do whatever you wish with. So as you can see, these owners have their toys and the kids play area down here, but you could definitely watch movies, turn it into a movie theater. You could do some work down here and petition it off and make another bedroom if needed. There is plenty of space down in this basement. So this home also features, it was built in 2019, as I mentioned, and then the roof had hail damage. So it has a even newer roof than the 2019, and it was upgraded to a hail resistant roof. And you can see the stone backsplash here in the kitchen. There's just touches throughout this home that make it such a beautiful space to be in. If you are interested in getting more information on this great home in Wyndham Hill in Frederick, you can contact me, Hayley Bartlett, your Aussie agent, and we will set up a time to go look at this beautiful home. Hope you're having a fabulous day and hope you enjoyed this virtual open house tour.